Do you want to start playing arpeggios on the piano? Hi, I'm Alex, a piano teacher at Hoffman Academy, and I'm going to help you get started with arpeggios. Arpeggios are played a lot like you would play a scale, except with skips instead of steps. Arpeggios are sometimes called broken chords. To play them, you take the individual notes of a chord and play them one at a time, either ascending or descending. Today we're going to work on the C major arpeggio. We'll start by finding the first octave position of the arpeggio. Start with your right thumb on root C, your second finger on E, your third finger on G, and then we'll reach up with our fifth finger to get the octave C when it's time to play it, like this. Once you've got your hand in position, slowly play through the notes of the arpeggio. Spend plenty of time playing each note of the arpeggio, from thumb to pinky, and then back down, like this. Once you feel comfortable with the C major chord, you can apply the same arpeggio pattern to other major chords. I'll also demonstrate F major and G major. F major is the 4 chord, and it goes F, A, C, F. And G major, G, B, D, G. For the left hand, find your position by starting with your pinky on C and your fourth finger on E, your second finger on G, and then reach up with the thumb to the next C, like this. If you're feeling comfortable with arpeggios and want a really fun challenge, check out our free lesson, 1 octave arpeggios. We'll post a link in the description. Take your time working on arpeggios. Make sure that you keep good posture and technique. Most importantly, have fun and keep practicing. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know that you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials each week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.